This is TTS Times Wire News, providing fast and efficient narrations of the latest news articles for those on the go. We upload every weekday at noon Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bird flu has been detected in commercial poultry farms in several U.S. states, leading to the culling of millions of birds to contain the outbreak. This could lead to higher poultry prices at the grocery store, impacting household budgets, especially for working-class families who rely on affordable protein sources. Additionally, some poultry workers may face job insecurity due to potential farm closures. In the statement by the Michigan Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, MDARD, the Michigan State University Veterinary Diagnostic Laboratory has detected the presence of highly pathogenic avian influenza, HPAI, in a commercial poultry facility from Ionia County. Since the disease was first detected in Michigan in 2022, this is the fourth detection of HPAI in a commercial facility, and the first detection in Ionia County. HPAI is a highly contagious virus that can be spread in various ways from flock to flock, including by wild birds, through contact with infected poultry, by equipment, and on the clothing and shoes of caretakers. State veterinarian Dr. Nora Wineland, DVM, MS, DCPM is quoted as stating, "As the weather remains cool and wild birds continue their migration, conditions are ideal for the virus to thrive and spread. While these conditions persist, the need to take preventative measures will be high. Keeping HPAI out of Michigan's domestic animals remains a team effort, and it must be a top priority for all." More can be read in the statement at the MDARD's webpage. https://www.michigan.gov/mdard/about/media/press releases/2024/04/02/ highly pathogenic avian influenza detected in Ionia County flock. Just the previous day, the Texas Department of State Health Services, DSHS, also reported the first human case of novel avian influenza in Texas, stating, "The patient became ill following contact with dairy cows presumed to be infected with avian influenza. The patient's primary symptom was conjunctivitis." This is the second case of avian influenza H5N1 identified in a person in the United States and is believed to be associated with the recent detections of avian influenza H5N1 in dairy cows. More on this can be read in the statement at the official Texas Department of State Health Services website. https://www.dshs.texas.gov/news-alert/health alert first case novel influenza H5N1 Texas March 2024. The following statement was made by Cal-Maine Foods regarding the incidents in its Texas locations. Cal-Maine Foods Incorporated reports positive test result for avian influenza at Texas facility. April 2, 2024 at 12:09 p.m. EDT. Ridgeland, Mississippi, Business Wire April 2, 2024 Cal-Maine Foods, Incorporated today reported that one of the company's facilities located in Palmer County, Texas, tested positive for highly pathogenic avian influenza, HPAI, resulting in depopulation of approximately 1.6 million laying hens and 337,000 pullets, or approximately 3.6% of the company's total flock as of March 2, 2024. Production at the facility has temporarily ceased as the company follows the protocols prescribed by the USDA. Cal-Maine Foods is working to secure production from other facilities to minimize disruption to its customers. More can be read at the company's link. https://calmainefoods. gcsweb.com/node/13596/pdf. The CDC issued the following statement on April 2. The CDC has sequenced the influenza virus genome identified in a specimen collected from the patient in Texas who was confirmed to be infected with highly pathogenic avian influenza virus and compared these with sequences from cattle, wild birds, and poultry. Overall, the genetic analysis of HPAI H5N1 viruses in Texas supports CDC's conclusion that the human health risk currently remains low. More can be read at the CDC's statement at the following link. https://www.cdc.gov gov/flu/avian flu/spotlight/2023 to 2024/H5N1 analysis Texas. HTM. Thanks for joining us at TTS Times Wire News. Be sure to like and subscribe to get fast and efficient narrations of the latest news articles for those on the go. We upload every weekday at noon Eastern Standard Time. See you next time on The Wire, and be sure to like and subscribe.